In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in WooCommerce, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're setting up an online store for international customers or just prefer using a language other than English, changing your WooCommerce site language is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and get you all set up. First, we need to head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the control center of your website, where you can manage all the important settings and configurations of your site. Once you're logged into WordPress, you'll see the dashboard on the left-hand side of your screen. That's where you'll find all the different options to control your website's features. Next, what you want to do is click on Settings. You'll find Settings located towards the bottom of the menu on the left-hand side. When you click on it, a range of options will appear. This Settings tab is crucial because it allows you to manage your site's general settings, including the language settings we want to adjust. After clicking on Settings, the next step is to click on General. Inside the General settings, you'll see a variety of configuration options for your site, such as your site title, tagline, and of course, the all-important site language settings. This is where we're headed to make the change you need. Now, scroll down until you see the site language option. You'll notice it's quite prominent, displayed as a drop-down menu. This drop-down menu lets you select from numerous language options that WordPress supports. So, whether you want to switch to Spanish, French, German, or any other language available in the list, you can simply choose it from here. Once you've selected your desired language from the drop-down menu, make sure to save the changes. Clicking the Save Changes button, usually found at the bottom of the General Settings page, is an important final step, as it ensures your site language is updated, and that WordPress knows to display everything in your chosen language from now on. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your WooCommerce site language. Ensuring your online store operates in the language that best serves your audience can significantly enhance your user experience and potentially broaden your customer base as well. If at any time you need to switch languages again, you now know exactly how to do it. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on managing your WooCommerce store. See you in the next video.